Everyone. My name is Mohammed Mubin Ahmed, and this is my vending machine code. So as we see here, we have the uh, display the inventory of items, where it shows the code, the names, the pricing, and the stock level. In this vending machine, it allows users to select items using unique product codes. It also handles payments, calculates change, and then verifies sufficient funds as well. It also updates the stock of an item after every successful purchase. So if you give it, for example, if you purchase an item for like 2.5 dirhams and you put in 5 dirhams, it's going to give you 2.5 dirhams back. So it's going to give you the exact amount of change that it will give you according to your payment. It also allows repeated purchases until the user chooses to exit. For example, if I start this code and if I put in the product and then I put in the exact amount of uh, payment here. So it's going to ask me to buy another item if I would like to buy another item. And it's going to keep on repeating this process until I decline. So if I say no, it's going to show me the exit message. And it also handles invalid inputs properly and gracefully, such as incorrect product codes or non-numeric payment amounts. For example, if I go and play this again, and if I run the code again, and if I put the product code, for example, I put in uh, the let's put in A1, and then we put in an amount. It says 2.5. We'll put in 10. It's gonna give me the change. As you can see here, it gave me the change. Now if I say yes and I do, and I place in a wrong code, for example, uh, H1. So look, it's gonna say invalid product code. Please try again. So it's gonna keep on repeating this until it's gonna give me an invalid uh, reasoning, and then it's gonna give me the uh, code to buy it again, buy something again, buy the item again. So there you go. For the key features of my code, it's the modular design, functions like display inventory, uh, find item by find item by code. They make the code reusable and easy to read. As you can see here, it's simple, it's easy to read and understand what's going on with the code. And error handling is one of the key features as well. It easily handles invalid inputs, as I showed you that it's easy to find out what's the problem, and it's gonna give user feedback. The program communicates with the user at every step, ensuring a smooth experience. So at every purchase or at every selection, there's a code or there's a statement to let you know what's going on. It also and the dynamic updates as well, that when you buy an item, the stock changes. So when you so like the stock changes real time. And the new items can also be added easily because this code is simple, so you can add and more items easily. So I told you guys the key features and what are the features of this vending machine. Let's get into the detailed walkthrough explanation here. So first of all, inventory setup. How did we set up the inventory of this code? The main thing and the main feature of this vending machine or of every vending machine is the inventory. It is represented as a list of dictionaries where each dictionary contains details about a single item. As you can see here on top, you can see the name, the pricing, and the stock. This is the main feature of the code. So each item has the following attributes: code, name, price, stock. So a unique identifier, example A1, B1, that user inputs to select an item. Name, the name of the product such as chocolates, gummies, drinks, etc. The cost of the product in the local currency, for example, AED in this case, and then the stock, the current quantity of the stock available in the machine. This structure allows the program to manage and track each item effectively. And the inventory is predefined, making it easy to add or remove items as needed by modifying the list. Then we have displaying the inventory. This one. The display inventory function provides a user-friendly way to show the available items in the vending machine. So as we can see here, we have the inventory here, and then we have the code, item as code, item name, item price, and then the stock. When this function runs, it prints a formatted table. It looks through each item in the inventory and displays its attributes. This ensures that the user have all the necessary details that like the prices the prices and the available stock. Before making a selection, the design mimics a real vending machine display, making it intuitive for the user. And then we have selecting an item. Right? Select an item. To make a purchase, the user needs to input the proper code for the desired item. So here you can see you have to put in the code or you have to put in the code of the item you want to purchase in order it to execute. Then we have checking the stock. If the item is selected, the program's gonna check if the stock is there or not, and if it's not there, it's gonna play a message, or if it's available, it's gonna proceed you to the next. It's gonna proceed to the payment. And then we have payment handling. Payment handling. This is the most interactive and crucial part of the the process payment. Here you can see the process payment. The process payment function manages the payment process and ensures that user pay the correct amount or more. So it works as the program informs the user about the selected items and its price. The user is prompt to insert money. The program checks whether the amount paid is sufficient or not. And when the uh, if a user puts in more than what the price is, it's gonna give the change back, and it's gonna end it like this. Right, and then updating stock after a transaction is gonna update the stock in the inventory up there, and it's gonna repeat until the user exits the program or the application. It's gonna uh, keep repeating until then. So this is the code. It's easy and it's a very simple and easy code to understand and use. It has simple codes and it has a simple design, and when you leave it says a it says a message, thank you for visiting this vending machine, please come again.